Have you ever stopped to marvel at the oddities of the natural world? Imagine a creature so remarkable it can turn back the clock on aging, or another that quietly roams the night while everyone else sleeps. The animal kingdom is packed with true survival artists, and their adaptations are often so outlandish. Let's pull back the curtain and explore the bizarre and breathtaking abilities animals possess, especially those that thrive in conditions most of us can barely imagine. Welcome, nature enthusiasts. On this channel, we're devoted to celebrating the wonders of the animal kingdom. In today's feature, we'll journey into the astonishing world of animal adaptations, those quirky, jaw-dropping traits that allow species to survive and flourish against all odds. Plus, we'll peek into the secret lives of nocturnal animals, uncovering mysteries that emerge only after sunset. You're about to witness the kind of ingenuity nature has spent millions of years perfecting. So stay with us and be inspired by the marvels of wildlife. Animal adaptations that defy logic. Imagine a jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrani, often dubbed the immortal jellyfish, that literally reverses its life cycle to escape death, growing young again when faced with injury or old age. Or consider the vampire bat, which has evolved sensors in its nose and stealthy feeding strategies to quietly draw blood from a sleeping animal without waking it. Then there's the wood frog, a creature that survives harsh winters by freezing solid and reviving as warmer days return. Its body uses glucose as a natural antifreeze to prevent ice damage. Even more electrifying is the eel that generates enough voltage to stun prey, turning itself into a living battery. These stories aren't just fascinating anecdotes, they're proof that survival sometimes looks like science fiction. How these adaptations evolved. Such mind-boggling abilities didn't appear overnight. They are products of millions of years of evolution, where random mutations and persistent environmental challenges sculpted bodies and minds perfectly suited for survival. Animals with the most helpful traits, whether it's the camel's specialized fat-storing hump for desert resilience, or the tardigrade's near-supernatural ability to withstand radiation and vacuum, were rewarded by nature, leaving behind generations that inherited these perks. Adaptations aren't just about living, they're about thriving, finding a niche, and passing on successful genes, making the race for life a relentless competition where only the best-suited survive and reproduce. The secret lives of nocturnal animals. As the world falls into darkness, a new cast of characters emerges. Owls, bats, raccoons, they've evolved features that let them own the night. An owl's forward-facing eyes give it binocular vision and extraordinary depth perception, while bats have developed echolocation to see with sound, and raccoons use their keen sense of touch and smell to forage unseen. Nocturnal behavior is a strategic adaptation. These animals avoid predators and competitors by operating when most others are asleep, carving a silent niche in the ecosystem and proving that timing, as much as talent, is key to survival. Challenges nocturnal animals face and adaptations. The darkness isn't without its dangers. Navigating when there's little light requires specialized skills, heightened hearing, sensitive noses, or even the ability to emit and interpret high-frequency sounds, as bats do. Silence becomes a shield against predators, while camouflage gives creatures like the moth or the nightjar their ticket to safety. Even simple behaviors, like sticking to quiet pathways or pausing at the hint of danger, represent adaptations fine-tuned by generations of trial and error in the moonlit wilderness. At the core of these incredible stories is a lesson on resilience and adaptation. Nature, in its relentless pursuit of survival, has become the ultimate inventor, dreaming up solutions so outside the box they defy our expectations and challenge our understanding of biology. These animals are living proof that with the right tools, anything is possible in the wild. Their creativity is, without exaggeration, magical. Today, we've seen just how unusual and inventive animal adaptations can be, and glimpsed into the lives of those brave enough to rule the night. The intricate web of life reminds us that every trait, every habit, every oddity, big or small, has a purpose. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's brilliantly interconnected and endlessly surprising. If this adventure opens your eyes to the genius of nature, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss another story. We'd love to hear about your favorite animal adaptation or nighttime survival strategy. Share with us in the comments and join this wild conversation.